The sound of this letter is the, capital the, small the. To make the sound of this letter, you have to smile and separate your teeth a bit. Flatten the tip of your tongue against the inside of the top teeth and release. Ready? Let's practice. Repeat with me. The. Now it's your turn. Excellent. Very good. Capital the, small the. The is for dog. D is for door. D is for donut. D is for drum. D is for doll. D is for dice. Now let's practice. Now let's identify which word has a different sound. Prepare your ear to listen carefully. The corn. Does corn start with the corn? No, cross out. The pencil. Does pencil start with the pencil? No, cross out. The doll. Does doll start with the doll? Yes. The cow. Does cow start with the cow? No, cross out. The dice. Does dice start with the dice? Yes. The popcorn. Does popcorn start with the popcorn? No, cross out. The is for dog. D is for door. D is for donut. D is for drum. D is for doll. D is for dice. The sound of this letter is the. Capital the, small the.